Leo, what's going on? Got little Doc with me today on a day off. So checking out these bikes. We got two bikes in here for a quick upgrade. We're just gonna do a nice in and out job. We got a 2016 Street Glide Special. We're gonna add some lighting to the front end or the front fairing. So we're gonna add a Zero LED fairing insert light as well as a Zero windshield trim LED light. And then we're gonna go with the Eagle lights passing lamp, so that'll brighten up his front end a little bit. It'll be a nice before and after. This 07 Softail, again, quick, easy job. Wanted to change out his seat, so we're gonna go with the Saddleman Explorer seat, and then in his rear end, we're gonna also upgrade that a little bit too as well. Right now he's got the halogen bulb, so we're gonna LED out his taillight assembly as well as his rear turn signal. So it'll be a nice before and after. If you're looking to upgrade, give us a call. We'll give you a free quote. Whether it's big or small, we'll get you in and out. But this 07 Heritage 16 Street Glide Special, nice little upgrade. So 2016 Street Glide Special in for that fairing upgrade. He's trying to put a little bit more lights to his front fairing. Went with the Zero fairing vent insert with LEDs in them, as well as the windshield trim with LED lights as well. And then he went with the Eagle lights passing lamp. So as you can see, nice before and after. You got the LEDs in the fairing vent, you got the LEDs in the windshield trim, and then obviously his passing lamps as well as the LED headlight and turn signal. So if you're looking to upgrade, give us a call. We have that special 15% off all LEDs, 25% off installation. Give us a holler, we'll give you a free quote. Back with the 07 Softail in for a quick upgrade like the other bike. Guys, we got that sale going on, 15% off all LEDs, 25% off installation. This gentleman, 07 Softail, wanted to change it out, new to him. First thing he wanted us to do was change his seat. Went with the Saddleman Explorer seat. Nice, slicker, fits the bike a lot better. It'll be nice with before and after with the backrest. Then he went with the Custom Dynamics LED Pro Beam turn signals and tail lamp assembly. As you can see, before you couldn't see anything, now you got some illumination there. So if you're looking to upgrade, give us a call. We'll have you in and out with a free quote. 07 Softail's a wrap.